Congratulations and welcome to AWA. You made the right decision. Your new secret weapon to creating stunning websites and earning tons of profits is now ready and on its way to your inbox. You must be excited to have access to such a powerful AI-assisted website creator, and trust me, once you get started, you'll just want to keep on going and going and going. Well, what if I told you that there is a way for you to not only speed up your website creation, but also drive insane amounts of traffic to your website and unlock all the features of AWA, giving you true unlimited, unrestricted access and earning potential? After running a bunch of market tests, we found an overwhelming amount of beta testers all reporting the same thing. Because AWA allowed them to create professional-level websites in mere minutes, the demand for them to create more shot up. So much so that they simply couldn't keep up. But that's good, right? Well, only if you can deliver and match that new spike in demand. So, what was our solution? We invested a ton into researching and developing a program that will allow you to unlock true limitless earning potential. Let me introduce you to AWA Unlimited. Firstly, with AWA Unlimited, you will be able to remove the 50 websites limit that everyone else gets, allowing you to create unlimited websites. That's right, you can now create however many websites you wish to create and even have access to unlimited edits and pages within your websites. I'm serious, there will be nothing holding you back. But it doesn't stop there. AWA Unlimited also lets you create unlimited stores. Online shopping has spiked in popularity and it's only going to get bigger. A business without an online store simply won't be a thing in the near future. Luckily, AWA grants you access to its incredible AI-assisted store builder, which means you don't need to be an experienced web designer or developer as long as you have AWA by your side. I'm talking unlimited creation of incredible SEO-optimized online stores right inside your website. Trust me, your clients will be so impressed, your profits will skyrocket. And when we say unlimited, we are not kidding. When you upgrade to AWA Unlimited, you will also unlock the ability to create unlimited subdomains per client. You will be able to help your clients improve their rankings and profits by creating different pages within their websites and stores. And guess what? You can charge extra for doing this service. So not only do your customers become happier, but you will be doubling, if not tripling, your earnings. Again, there are no limits to how many subdomains you can create with AWA Unlimited, and you can rest assured because every website or store you create is guaranteed to be 100% with SSL. So to recap, with AWA Unlimited, you get access to unlimited websites, edits, online stores, blogs, and subdomains. But I'm not done yet, not even close. For a limited time, you will also get access to some incredible add-ons when you upgrade to AWA Unlimited. The first add-on that you unlock is the incredible unlimited one-click traffic builder, which allows you to share your website across the most popular social platforms. With AWA Unlimited, you can share your websites, pages, stores, and blogs to reach millions of people. With just the click of a button, you'll have all the traffic you could dream of. The second add-on that you get access to is the powerful unlimited on-page SEO optimization. Search engine optimization means your websites will be ranked higher than your competitors on Google and more eyes will be on you. Thirdly, when you upgrade to AWA Unlimited, you gain exclusive access to our account manager and priority support. That's right, you get a direct line to us via your account manager, so if you need anything from new features, training, tutorials, or assistance, we will be right there by your side. All you need to do is inform your account manager and we will prioritize your request. And finally, as an exclusive add-on for today only, when you upgrade to AWA Unlimited, you'll also be unlocking our state-of-the-art AWA Mobile App Builder. You heard right. You will be able to create and host unlimited mobile apps and even convert all your websites into apps. No, you don't need to know a thing about coding, and you won't need to spend tons of cash to have someone develop apps for you. With the AWA App Builder, you can create top-quality iOS and Android apps for your clients. Help your customers increase their reach and earnings, and reap the rewards for yourself as well. You will get App Store-ready apps that look and function perfectly. Did you know that these types of apps can sell upwards of $500? So if you do the math, you'll see your earning potential is massive here. Not to mention super easy, because you will receive a selection of fully done-for-you app templates to choose from when creating these mobile apps. Okay, that was a lot, so let me recap. With your upgrade to AWA Unlimited, you get unlimited website and pages, unlimited e-com stores, unlimited blogs on your websites, unlimited website hosting on the cloud, unlimited subdomains and advanced SSL, unlimited one-click traffic builder, unlimited SEO optimization, account manager and priority support, and unlimited AWA Mobile App Builder, today only. This is a truly special and exclusive upgrade that we are only offering because we want our early action takers to reap all the benefits and maximize their earnings for a fraction of the cost. Sadly, we can't keep this offer available for long as it's such an exclusive deal. So if you're looking for a way to outperform your competition and unlock unlimited earning potential, then AWA Unlimited is exactly what you need. So don't miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime offer. Click that buy button and get started with AWA Unlimited right away.